So first off, they specialize in giving personal loans to people with bad credit, but they really specialize. They try their best to make sure that it's $10,000 or less. Now, if you need more than that, then of course you guys got to watch my video on other personal loans for bad credit, and that usually typically goes up to about 40,000. But if you just need up to about 10,000 and your credit's not the best, this is going to be one of the better options to go for you. Okay. Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, certified FICO professional for the 850 Club Credit. Super excited to go over with you guys the processes and a couple things you may not know, or most people don't know about bad credit, loans.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and go straight into it. So first off, they specialize in giving personal loans to people with bad credit, but they really specialize. They try their best to make sure that it's $10,000 or less. Now, if you need more than that, then of course you guys got to watch my video on other personal loans for bad credit, and that usually typically goes up to about 40,000. But if you just need up to about 10,000 and your credit's not the best, this is going to be one of the better options to go for you. Okay, so when you first get started, you can go in and request up to $10,000, and you just pretty much put in there the loan amount that you want. So if you want like 5,000 or whatever, then you just go ahead and click start it, and that's when the application is going to start. Real quick, I know you got questions, whether it was from this video or the video before this one, or if you just have credit questions in general that you want to get answered, whether it's pertaining to personal credit, business credit, home ownership, rental property ownership, auto loans, credit cards, whatever you got questions about, I can get those answered for you guys. Okay. And not only that, but you get early access to videos just like this one. We also do member-only lives and so much more. But if you want more information, just go ahead and click on the link down in the description below, and let's go and get back to the video. Now, the service is 100% free, and essentially you're not necessarily getting the loan from badcreditloans.com. Okay. Essentially what you're doing, you're actually using their service, and they're going to find you a lender within their partner lenders to see, based on the application that you fill out, to see which company will actually approve you. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a bit. Their service is 100% free, and there is no cost or obligation to use the service. To help keep the service free, they make sure you offer from other credit related services like debt relief, credit repair, and credit monitoring, things of that sort. Okay. And again, you guys may or may not even, see that. Okay. Number two is going to be their extended lender network. So now we kind of talked about that a couple of seconds ago. And so that lender network is that essentially if they cannot find you a lender within their network, they will show your loan inquiry, essentially your application, to their extended network of third-party non-lender networks to help you find a lender as well. Okay, so you'll be able to do that. You can do the application anytime of the day, 24/7. And then, of course, when you apply online, all you got to do is just fill out the form, and then they're going to get you connected with a lender right away. And then you can see your options. Now, remember, nothing happens, guys, until you move forward. OK, so you may have to submit some documentation. They're going to see your credit, obviously, but you may have to submit, paycheck stubs, bank statements, stuff like that. And then they're going to see, what loan options you do have. OK, everything is secure as well. Bad credit loans have been out for quite some time, guys. And again, if they're not able to find a loan within their network or their extended network, then they may show you some other options as well. Okay. What I do like about them is that their loans range anywhere between 5.99%. Okay. So as it says here, Bad Credit Loans is not a lender and doesn't provide unsecured loans, but it shows your loan request information to lenders and lending partners within their network so they can choose whether to offer you a loan. Okay. Then a personal loan from their lender or financial service provider and within their network is going to range anywhere between 5.99% and 35.99%. Although the APR, according to the information that is supplied to you or by you in your loan request, the loan products generally have a 90-day minimum repayment term. OK, so that means that if you wanted to pay it off sooner, let's say, for example, you just needed some money for a short period of time, you're not able to get a loan from them and then pay it off within a month or within 2 months. The soonest that you could pay it off is going to be 90 days. OK, so this is what you call prepayment. OK, now some companies, not this company, but some companies will charge you actually a prepayment penalty. And with that prepayment penalty, that essentially means that they're going to charge you extra if you wanted to try to pay it off. OK, in this particular case, you got to wait at least 90 days to do so. OK, also, too, guys, random. Anytime you pay off a personal loan, hey guys, real quick, if you're looking to improve your credit score, qualify for homeownership, get a high limit credit card, or lower your car payment, I can help you, okay? I've helped a lot of people. Even some of these people came from this channel. Some people are local, like these people behind me. Let me show you guys some quick examples. This client, this client, this client, this client, and yes, even this client. I've helped all of them improve their credit scores and accomplish their credit and financial goals. But check this out. Just for you guys watching this on YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a special promo code that you can use to go ahead and take advantage of my advanced credit blueprint, okay? To get started, all you got to do is just go to the link inside the description below, and don't forget to use that promo code. Now let's get back to the video. They're going to, it's going to hurt your score, okay? Anytime you pay off a personal loan early, or any loan for that matter, anything that ends in the word loan, if you pay it off early, then it's going to drop your score, unfortunately. The algorithm is essentially looks at the term, and if you don't finish out that term, then it's going to drop your score just a little bit. Why? We don't know. Is it fair? Not at all. And that's any loan. So that's personal loans, student loans, auto loans, mortgage loans. That's essentially going to be the case. Okay. It happens all the time. Even when people do it inadvertently. So they have an auto loan and then they trade that auto loan in for another car. The dealership now pays off that other loan, or the new bank pays off that older auto loan. You technically did not finish out the loan. So that's when the score drops for a small piece. The reason why sometimes people don't see it, by the time that the old loan shows paid off, the new loan now shows on the credit report. So again, sometimes that balances each other out. Okay. Now, and then of course you have a maximum term of 72 months or 6 years. Now, here's the thing. You can pay it off early. Okay. You can pay it off early, but depending on the lender, they may or may not charge you a fee. Okay. So, and that's called a prepayment penalty fee. Okay. Now, it also says your lender will provide you with the APR, loan fees, and other terms when you're redirected to your loan agreement during the loan request process. Before accepting a loan from a lender within the network, be sure to read the loan agreement carefully, as the APR and repayment terms may differ from what is listed on the website, as they are not the lender. Okay. So again, for any help with bad credit loans related services, feel free to contact them. Now, this gives you an idea of what this is going to end up being. Okay. So let's say, for example, you wanted to borrow $2,000. And they give you 12 months. Okay. Now, they're not going to give is the 6 years for that. Obviously, you have to borrow a certain amount for that. I'm assuming probably the full 10. But the terms got to make sense to you. So make sure you guys can afford that monthly payment. But either way, borrowing $2,000 for 12 months with a 19.9 representative APR and a monthly repayment of $183.63. Those are the kind of numbers you'll be looking at. And the total repayment would be $2,203.56. So you just take your monthly payment. If you guys want to have an idea of how much that interest is going to be, obviously you see the interest rate. But if you want to see it in dollar amount, just multiply the monthly payment times the term, and then that's going to give you this number here. And once you have that number, that now gives you, essentially says, hey, this is what you paid in interest. Now, it also mentions as well, too, installment loans are somewhat expensive when compared to other loan products. They are not recommended as a long-term financial solution. That's a legal disclaimer. They have to say that. And they should only be taken out for, emergency financial needs, which is why typically people end up doing this. OK, or if they need the money, if they need the personal loan and other companies didn't give them an opportunity, because of their credit, again, they'll be able to help you guys do it. OK. So, but either way, it's really simple, guys. All you got to do, you just click to where it says, request up to 10,000, put in whatever amount that you need, and then you go ahead and then click get started. Okay. Now, it also mentions as well, too, that by clicking the button above, you consent and agree for Bad Credit Auto Loans to look up whether I have an existing account with any of their affiliate websites and utilize my existing account information. So if you ever apply for any product that may be owned by like them or their entity, then you may see that they may already have an account for you. OK, but either way, you'll be able to see that and get that ball rolling as well. Now, here's the thing, guys. Don't forget, when you're taking out a personal loan, make sure that you're using the loan for what you need it for. If you don't take out if you're taking out the personal loan for something else, again, you can use it for whatever you want to, but you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you're adding more debt. The whole goal is to get the piece that you need it for, take care of what you need to take care of, and pay it off as soon as you can. Okay. And don't forget, even if you don't like the terms, because some of you guys are applying, you're in the 500 scores, but in the next 3 months or 6 months, now your scores are in the high sixes or the mid sixes. You now can get a personal loan to pay off the old personal loan, right? So you get the personal loan with badcreditloans.com. You get that, and don't worry, guys. The link is going to be inside the description below. But when you get that loan and your credit is where it's at right now, it's okay. You can refinance that loan later down the line if you want to. You don't have to, but this is if you want to. Okay. But either way, guys, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.